In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert link in Gmail email. Whether you're sharing a document, a website, or a calendar page, adding a clickable link keeps your messages clean and easy to follow. Let's walk through it on a computer. First, open Gmail in your web browser and click Compose to start a new email. In the message body, type the words you want to turn into a link. You might write something like, "Read the full report," or "Visit our website." Using clear, descriptive text helps your recipients understand where the link will take them. Next, use your mouse to highlight that text. With the text selected, look at the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Find the Insert Link button. It looks like a small chain link icon. Click it. A little box will pop up asking for the web address. Paste the full URL into that box. A quick tip here: make sure the address starts with HTTP or HTTPS and remove any extra spaces so the link works correctly. When you're ready, click OK or Apply. The text you highlighted will now appear as a clickable link. If you prefer the keyboard, you can do the same thing even faster. On Windows, highlight your text and press Ctrl+K. On a Mac, highlight and press Command+K. That shortcut opens the exact same link box, where you simply paste the URL and confirm. It's a great time saver if you add links often. If you don't see the link icon in the toolbar, you may be composing in plain text mode. Switch to rich text formatting so those tools appear. In rich text, you'll see options like bold and italics, emojis, and of course, links. Once you're in rich text, the chain link icon should be visible at the bottom of the Compose window. Before you send your email, take a second to double-check the destination. Hovering over the linked text will show a preview of the URL, which is a helpful way to confirm you've pasted the right address. Clear text plus a correct URL equals a link your recipients can trust. And that's all it takes. Open Gmail, write your anchor text, highlight it, insert the link with the button or the shortcut, and confirm. With these steps and tips, you'll be adding clean, professional links to your messages in no time.